Okay, language explorers, let's look at this week's Tuesday verb. So, compare. Compare. To see how things are different. Yeah. How can you compare these books? How can you compare these books? They're different. They're completely different. How can you compare them? I will compare the prices. Yeah. She wants to compare which place is better to go to. That place or this place or that place. Yeah. Yeah. So I compared the different prices. Okay. I want to compare the chairs. The chairs. Yeah. Which is more comfortable? Yeah, which chair is more comfortable? Okay. You're going to compare the boxes. Yeah. How can I compare these boxes? They are so alike. What is different about them? They're all the same. They are all the same. They're all the same. Okay. So you say, I compare. I compare. You compare. They compare. So, I compare these cups. You compare the hats. They compare these things. So I compare the cups. Okay. All right. Okay, now I see. Okay, very good. And you compare the hats. Okay. They compare these things. So they want to compare all the different houses. Yeah. So he compares. He compares. She compares. It compares. Yeah. So he compares the houses. Compares the houses. There's that house, that house, that house, and that house. 4 houses, and we're going to compare them. Okay. Right. How do they differ? How do they differ? Or differ? What makes them unique? What makes them unique? So she compares the different countries and places to visit. We have England, Scotland, Wales, and Ireland. Where could we go to? Different choices. There are different choices, yeah. How cool is that? So, it compares the prices for us. It compares the different policies automatically. See, it compares the prices automatically. Yeah. So we know which is cheapest. So we know which is cheapest. Yes. Oh, yeah. How cool is that? So he compared them all. He compared all the choices and made a decision. He compared them. He did. Okay. She's She's comparing the different fruit. Oh, okay. This fruit is soft. This fruit is hard. Okay, right. I see. Do you think they'll want to compare things? When they get here, they will want to compare the prices. When they get here, they'll want to compare the prices. Yeah. We will need to compare them and decide later. We'll need to compare them and decide later. We've got no time to decide now. We haven't got time to compare them now. Now, no time. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So I compare, you compare, they compare, he compares, she compares, it compares. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So compare. Now, can you use compare in a sentence? And can you put that sentence in the comments below? Like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.